Hi, Hannah. Hannah. Hi. Hi.
Hi,
Ooh,
good
you want to
afternoon.
get the
I was there
merchandise?
yesterday. I was
Where is Zippy?
looking at children's the baby girl
Oh,
shoes.
no.
I wonder if you remember, I was with my child, but there was you did the 12 to I think that was a 12 to
Hannah.
18 months. Do you
Look.
still have that size?
Look at the ice cube. Ooh.
Yeah, the pink one. Is there because that's the only 12 to 18, right, that you have?
Ooh. That's interesting, isn't it?
No, I think that pink one probably would be.
Ooh, you
Can
got
you
it.
save that for me? We're gonna
Oh.
pick it up in maybe like
What
an
do you think
hour
of that,
or
Hannah?
two. Maybe a couple hours.
Where'd it go?
Yeah, it's name. Okay, sure. My name is Sheila.
Back, 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 back. Back, back,
Sheila,
back, back. All right.
and then phone number 295